According to a recent report from Chief Justice Pryor of the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, which of course is the Court of Appeals that oversees Judge Eileen Cannon's court, and they have in fact overruled a few of her rulings in the past year. But according to a recent report from Chief Justice Pryor over there, that court has now received more than 1,000 complaints seeking to get Judge Cannon removed from the Trump classified documents case. Let me read this. Many of the complaints against Cannon filed with the 11th Circuit U.S. Court of Appeals request that the Chief Circuit Judge remove her from the classified documents case and reassign the case to a different judge. Chief Judge William Pryor wrote in a May 22nd order posted on the Appeals Court website. Pryor went on to say that several of the complaints, which, quote, appear to be part of an orchestrated campaign, additionally, quote, question the correctness of her rulings or her delays in issuing rulings in the case. Pryor then wrote, although many of the complaints allege an improper motive in delaying the case, the allegations are speculative and unsupported by any evidence. The complaints also do not establish that Judge Cannon was required to recuse herself from the case because she was appointed by then-President Trump. So, even though a lot of these people, by the way, are in fact lawyers and other people in the legal field that have filed these complaints, Judge William Pryor says, nope. We don't see any problems here. We've had to overturn her rulings. Pryor himself has been a part of the panels that have overturned some of her rulings, but he's like, nah, I think everything's fine. I mean, you guys it's all speculative. Except, of course, when you've overruled her. So why is Pryor being this way? Well, for those who are unfamiliar, Pryor is one of the most hard-right Republican judges in this country, to the point where he was actually in consideration to be placed on the U.S. Supreme Court by Donald Trump himself. So Pryor is an arch-conservative. Judge Cannon is an arch-conservative. There's two peas in a pod. In fact, that entire court, right, that 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, there's 11 conservative judges and 8 liberal judges based on who they were appointed by which president. And 6 of the judges on that entire 11th Circuit, 6 of them were appointed by Donald Trump himself. So a third of the judges on the panel are Trump appointees. So if we are looking for the 11th Circuit to come in and save us from Judge Cannon, it probably ain't going to happen unless you have hard evidence of some kind of horrific conduct beyond her showing a bias to Donald Trump. Like, you would have to have smoking gun evidence of her saying, don't worry, I'll protect you, in order to get this court, to really do something about it. And that's unfortunate. So it is what it is. Trump's likely to get off on this case because of Judge Cannon. But the one good thing, he's still a convicted felon, no matter what Judge Cannon says. Well, folks, we have crossed that 1 million subscriber milestone, but rest assured, we are just getting started here at Ring of Fire. So if you're not already, please do subscribe to the channel and make sure to like, share, and comment on the videos.